Happy Sunday, y'all. Today we're going to do some swatches from KMG Design Dips, and she was nice enough to give me a discount code for you guys. I'm sorry the lighting is not perfect in this video. I'm working with a new light and I'm trying to get the hang of it, so sorry about that. This first color is called Stay True to You, and it is a gorgeous, sheer, iridescent, chunky glitter with tons of like teal to purpley color shift. This one is called Precious, and it is a teal fine glitter. This one is called Amanda. She's super fun. It's like a clear base with teal and magenta chunky glitters as well as like silver stars, and she glows. I'm not certain if this one has a name. If it does, I couldn't find it, so I'm sorry about that, but it's a pink with blue and silver foils. Kind of would be perfect if you're like a girly Dallas Cowboys fan, honestly, which my bestie is, so I know that you exist. Just saying, this would probably be perfect for your game day, even though I don't support your team. This one is the Violet to Pink Thermal. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because there are 3 thermals that you're going to want to see in action. Also, as a purple lover, I just have to say this is a gorgeous, velvety, purple, luxurious. I like it. I like it a lot. This one is called Amaze Balls, and it is a purple with like magenta purpley foils throughout it. It's also worth mentioning that I found these foils very easy to work with, and they did not bleed when I activated them. This is called Starry Night, and it is a clear base with silver chunky glitter and silver stars. This is our second thermal, and it turns from a red-orange to a light yellow. These thermals are super sensitive, just the way you want them to be, and the range of color is awesome. This is the last thermal, and it goes from a deep blue to a light green. Alright, let's activate and top coat and talk about the brand. First of all, the dips are easy to work with. They are all very pretty, and she has a huge variety on her Etsy shop. Not only is the pricing super reasonable, she is also always running different sales and deals on top of it. So I would definitely recommend following her on Instagram or joining her Facebook group so that you can keep up with that information. I do believe she also takes custom requests if I'm not mistaken, and y'all don't hesitate to reach out to her. She is super, super sweet, super, super helpful. So all in all, yes, I would recommend this brand. From the dip quality to the customer service, it is a 10 from me. And don't forget, she was nice enough to give me a discount code for you guys if you wanted to check out anything from her shop. That code is Roxy25, and I will list it in the description below as well. Now, just in case you guys need to hear it, I don't get anything from the discount code. It's just a fun bonus for you guys that she was nice enough to give. All my opinions are my own. I'm not being paid for a good review or anything like that. I'm always going to be 100% upfront and 100% honest with you guys. The whole point of this series is just to bring small brands that deserve attention kind of to the forefront. Alright, if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @creepybitty_nails. Don't forget to stay to the end to see swatch pictures and to see those thermals in action. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Bye! Oh, I almost forgot, she sent me some cuticle oils as well. This one is cotton candy and it smells like a sweet, dreamy treat. And on the other end of the spectrum is dragon's blood, which smells like a musky, witchy incense, everything my dark little heart desires. Look at this thermal change, y'all. Love it. I love a thermal change that goes from like a significantly light to a significantly dark. It gets me so excited. Okay, bye.